Bose Wave Radio display and button problems. Experiencing issues with your Bose Wave Radio's display and buttons can be incredibly frustrating. Whether it's the buttons not responding or the display failing to show anything, these problems can hinder your ability to enjoy your favorite music. Let's dive into some practical troubleshooting steps to resolve these common issues. Unresponsive buttons. Have you noticed that the buttons on your Bose Wave Radio are not responding? Start by checking if the device is properly plugged in and receiving power. Sometimes a simple power cycle can fix the issue. Unplug the radio, wait for a minute, and then plug it back in. If that doesn't work, inspect the buttons for any debris or dirt that might be obstructing their function. Use a soft cloth to gently clean around the buttons. You can also try pressing and holding the buttons to see if they just needed a firmer touch. If the problem persists, it could be an internal issue. In this case, contacting Bose customer support for further assistance might be necessary. They can guide you through more detailed troubleshooting or repair options. Display not working. A blank or malfunctioning display can be equally concerning. First, ensure that your radio is connected to a working power source. A loose connection might be the culprit. Double-check the power cord and outlet. Next, try adjusting the brightness settings. It's possible that the display is set to its dimmest setting, making it appear as if it's not working. Refer to your user manual for instructions on how to adjust the brightness. If the display is still not functioning, perform a factory reset. This can often resolve software glitches. Remember, a factory reset will erase all your settings, so be prepared to set up your radio again. Still facing issues? Bose's technical support team is there to help. They can provide advanced troubleshooting tips or suggest if a repair is needed. Have you encountered display or button problems with your Bose Wave Radio? What steps did you take to resolve them? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe.